Of our biggest hospitals say there are no signs of this fourth surge peaking. Both Ochsner and UMC continue to see spikes in COVID patients week over week. And as Meg Ferris reports, that is impacting the staff and all the other patients who have other medical conditions.
There are still troubling signs across Ochsner hospitals statewide. Last week, hospitalized patients climbed from 821 to 1,063. 40 days ago, only 62. Last week, 43 more people died from COVID at Ochsner. 5 weeks ago, there was none. The average patient age is now mid-50s, before near 70. They're caring for around a dozen children and teens and another dozen pregnant women who were not vaccinated. There's no space for patients with other medical needs to come from other hospitals for a higher level of care.
So it is absolutely having an impact on thousands and thousands of patients who are not COVID related. And this is not an isolated thing. This is real. It escalates every day.
Of the 33,000 employees, 540 are in quarantine with positive tests. Ochsner has applied for extra staff help from a federal emergency team called a DMAT, like this one at Children's Hospital.
We've had physicians who are working in essentially nursing roles to support in ICUs. It's really been all hands on deck to try to pull this together.
It's a challenging situation. We're calling our clinicians to step up. They have been fantastic.
At UMC, the same picture and impact on care for other patients.
So whether it's any time-sensitive illness of a stroke or a heart attack or something that you need to get to a high level of care, that's being impacted by every day and impacting lives.
The hospital director says clinicians are absolutely exhausted caring for COVID patients.
These individuals, when they land in the hospital unvaccinated, that they really aren't very generous, many of them to our caregivers. Many of them continue to deny up until their death that they actually have COVID.
And right now, the end of this fourth surge is nowhere in sight. Meg Ferris, Eyewitness News.